I'm Christos Verikoukis from ESI Athens, and I will present today give you an overview of the 6G-DALI project. This is the outline, the main motivation behind this project. Move this here. The objectives, the architectural pillars, and a brief overview of the architecture, some innovation streams, and finally the proof of concepts of our project. The main motivation is that when people talk about AI, development of AI solutions, most of them are looking for data. There is lack of high quality data sets or 5G, beyond 5G, 6G networks. And also, when they are trying to find the data, they don't have easy access to testbeds or the digital twin tools. The 6G-DALI jumps in by providing a framework for generating high-quality data sets and giving access to experimenters to specific testbeds, and that we believe that will be the whole framework will be enhanced with more testbeds after the end of the project. We built the European AI framework for 6G data spaces. We have 3 well-known testbeds from previous SNS projects from Eurescom, KU Leuven, and ESI Athena, and the digital twin tool from Viavi. We addressed the call of stream B0108, as Anna said. Our budget is 5.8 million. Vasilis Theodorou from Intracom is our technical manager, while Theodora and myself will co-coordinate the project, and we're happy to have Tambiama as the project officer of this project. So, the main objective, 6G-DALI will build the European end-to-end AI framework that aims to connect 6G data with verticals, ML developers, experimenters, when relying on 6G testbeds from previous SNS projects. For the first time, 6G-DALI is bringing together 3 communities: the networking community, 6G systems, the networks, experts on AI and MLOps, experts on data ops, and the Gaia-X initiative, in order to collaborate to build this efficient and trustworthy framework in order to offer 6G data to the society. We have 13 partners from 7 member states, big companies, RTOs, academia, and 4 European high-tech SMEs for this project, covering the different expertise for the project. Our objectives, the first objective is to deliver a user-friendly end-to-end AI framework for data ops and MLOps in 6G. The second objective is to deliver Gaia-X and extract local transfer approaches for data ops in 6G environments. The third one, streamline 6G testbeds, trustworthy AI MLOps via MLOps and AutoML. The fourth objective is pluggable adapters to easily integrate 6G testbeds from future calls or from ongoing projects or for future projects. The fifth objective is to build and integrate a digital twin testbed to generate representative datasets for large-scale 6G networks. Make all these solutions and the data ethical datasets and validation methodologies and legislative compliance. Disseminate, communicate, exploitation of the result, contribute to standardization activities. All these objectives have very well defined measurable targets. Some of them are very well in line with the KPIs that Pavlos presented for the whole SNSGU program. The main innovation streams for this project, we developed AI-based data cleaning and improvement solutions. We propose collaborative MLOps and RLOps techniques. We'll have trustworthy AI via machine learning model, drift detection, and data augmentation. That is very important for data that we got from the experiments, develop trustworthy reinforcement learning via LLM-assisted explainability, build digital twins for large-scale 6G experimentation, develop knowledge transfer automation for multi-party ecosystems of 6G testbeds, use LLM-enabled AI experimentation and hyperparameter optimization, and finally, federated learning with NWDAF operation for 6G privacy and efficiency. We have two main pillars in our concept. The first one has to do with AI experimentation as a service using MLOps and LLOps. Two main research lines: distributed MLOps, open source software solution for 6G networks, and AI as a service framework for 6G and automated framework for 6G experimentation. The second pillar is related to data and analytics collection. We align all our solutions, the link of the data, how you collect the data, generate the data with the Gaia-X initiative for 6G data space. We propose trustworthy AI and societal acceptance solutions. We have digital twin testbed for large-scale experiments, and we also offer core network data analytics and federated learning via NWDAF experiments. This is the initial architecture. As you can see, we have the AI techniques, the data ops techniques. With the northbound API, we give access to any vertical developer, to any ML developer can access the system and run their solutions, having access to these 4 testbeds from our project. In the future, these testbeds will be enhanced, and from the we will develop some adapters that comes from the Gaia-X initiative that link the testbeds with the MLOps and with the data space. The important things that we want to point out that this facility will be open to everyone in the European society. It will be also open to other SNS projects, to future SNS projects, to plug their testbeds by simply having an adapter, and then all the data will be offered to the society through a cloud located in Europe. Then everyone in Europe will have access to these datasets. We have 3 proof of concepts. The first one is related to data, and we'll test the capabilities of 6G-DALI framework to satisfy user requests for 6G data by building the concept of 6G data space. Using the Gaia-X service catalog and using testing data on demand and enhance our extract local transfer pipelines in the project. The second POC is related to a unified approach for managing and executing ML tasks and processes with full automation. Having MLOps, LLOps solutions will be tested in this POC. Finally, the third POC is related to large and medium scale experimentation. Most of the SNS projects have small testbed experiments in order to test all these very good, very innovative solutions for AI. Here, we are to a digital twin platform. We offer experiments, large-scale experiments, and medium-scale experiments using the to test and validate, for example, trained RL agents. That's all from my side. This is my contact details. If you have any questions, I'm happy to reply.